There will come a time when you're going to need to change the liner on your MIG gun, and today I'm going to walk you through the steps in order to do that. I have a Hobart MIG gun here today, and I've already purchased a new liner for it, as you can see. So the first thing I'm going to need to do is remove the gun from the machine, and then once you have it removed from the machine, bring it to your bench. You're going to want to take your nozzle off, take the tip out, and then you're going to want to get the diffuser off of this end. Now, your MIG gun may differ from the Hobart that I'm working on today, so you may want to look ahead of time to see if you need any different tools or need to do it in the opposite way. But once we have the diffuser off, what I'm going to do is lay the gun out here. You're going to want it as straight as you can possibly get it. It makes it easier to get the old liner out and the new one in. So once we have that laid out, I'm going to come back down to the pin end, and I loosen the nut here. And this liner would slide out. And you can just discard that. And I will take the new liner. And everything from here is really just the reverse order of where you started. So we're gonna put the new liner back in. Now when you order your liners, they do come a little bit long. That way, a lot of times they fit, a few different guns. So once you do push it all the way through, and we're gonna retighten this nut on the pin end, we will grab the gun end, and you're going to see how much extra is sticking through here. Obviously, we don't need all that. So the trick is to take your diffuser. You can kind of look inside, and I would say the liner here, after I screw it on, it's gonna bottom out. I'm probably gonna need to be out about 3/8 of an inch. So I'm gonna take my kind of larger wire cutter here, come out about 3/8 of an inch, cut that off. Make sure you have a good cutter, because if you don't, you're gonna leave a little curl on here. It'll curl to the inside of the liner, and it'll actually catch on the wire. So now I'm gonna put the diffuser back on. And we'll get that tightened back up. Now, I don't reinsert the tip at this point, because this is going back into my machine, and when you feed the wire through, you don't want the tip in anyway. And to finish up, insert the gun back into the machine, and now with the new liner, hopefully this will solve any feeding issues that you may have had.